Hello and welcome to another edition of Getting to Know the Coaches. I'm Thomas Witty, and today I'm joined by the new head coach of the men's soccer team at Monmouth College, Coach Ian Hatleli. Coach, how are we doing today?
Doing well. How are you?
I'm good. So give us a little background on you, just where you're from, where you went to school, and how you ended up at Monmouth.
Yeah, I'm from Indianapolis. I went to school at Millikan University in Central Illinois, and then I started coaching right when I got out of school. Coached at junior college in Missouri, and then at Wabash College as an assistant. So, and then just got hired on about a month and a half ago.
Tell us who's been the most influential person in your life, both in coaching and you just being you.
For me, it was probably my parents all around. They always supported me, and they were always there for me whenever I needed anything. So, yeah, definitely my parents.
Obviously, you're new to Monmouth College this year. What drew you to the school, and what do you think makes it unique from other schools in the region or the Midwest Conference?
One of the things that really separates us, I think, is our grass field. I think it's going to be the best grass field we play on all year, every year. And so I think that's just something that players like to play on. And anytime you can play on good, solid grass instead of turf, it's always better for injuries and whatnot. So that's definitely something that drew me. And then to the Midwest, I'm from the Midwest. Wasn't born here, but raised here and lived in, 4 of the states. So it was definitely a big draw.
Give us your favorite sport, obviously other than the one you coach.
Let's see, probably football or basketball, either one. I wouldn't say one over the other. I watch both. Football is kind of hard just with it being in the same season as soccer. So I tend to watch a little bit more basketball and college basketball as well.
Who would you say your favorite sports team is?
Arsenal. Yeah, definitely an Arsenal fan. Try to watch as many games as I can. So yeah.
If you weren't a coach, what else is something that you think you'd be good at or that you could do?
Probably some sort of teaching. I like the teaching, coaching aspect of it. Obviously, I'm a very competitive person, but I really enjoy the technical stuff and the tactical stuff. So definitely teaching.
And finally, give us the thing that you're most excited about in terms of coming to Monmouth College and coaching the men's soccer team.
Most excited about? Honestly, just really excited about the team. Situation where I'm not taking over a program that was struggling. We went to the conference tournament last year and have some returners, have some guys who scored a lot of goals and had a lot of assists for us. So would really like to end, some defenders that got some all-conference honors and whatnot. So really just excited about getting out there and coaching the guys. It's been a long time since we've been on the field with COVID.
All right, Coach. Thanks for chatting with me today.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, this has been another edition of Getting to Know the Coaches. Thanks for tuning in, and roll Scots.
Hey, can I get you for a sec?
Yeah.
So I got a recruit who's a communications major.
Yeah.
Or wants to be a communications major. Is there any chance that I could, have you give him a call or shoot him an email or something?
Absolutely.
Just to have a conversation.
Absolutely. Yeah. No problem.
Okay, cool. Well, I'll send you the information when I get it settled. But he said he'd be interested in talking to somebody, and I don't have anybody in the soccer team.
Yeah.
I think. So. Yeah, I'll just shoot you an email with some details. And
go ahead. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, for sure. Anything to help. All right. Thanks, Coach.
I appreciate it. Have
a
good one.
Bye.